my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through two different versions of a drawback, a basic drawback and also a crossing version. So let's watch a quick preview and let's get started. To start a drawback, we're always going to start on an and count. You're going to spank backwards and heel on that supporting leg and step. We want to make sure we're only stepping with that toe. So once again, it's spank, heel, step, and a 1. Then repeat it. And a 2. And a 3. And a 4. Spank, heel, step. 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 Let's go ahead and try our drawbacks a little bit faster. Now that you know a basic drawback, we're going to do a different variation. This one is going to start crossing. So we want one foot in front of the other. We're going to spank, heel, and instead of stepping over here, we're going to cross it. And then we're going to spank that bottom leg, spank, heel, step, backwards. And then we're going to go one just straight backwards, spank, heel, step. Now our fourth one, we're going to cross again. Spank, heel, step. Now do that underneath foot. Spank, heel, straight backwards, and open it up to the side, spank, heel, step. So once again, we're going to go cross, open, straight back. Cross, open, straight back. So once again. That was 3. Now cross again. Alright, so once you get that rhythm down, you can go a little bit faster without pauses. Just remember, every third, you're going to alternate your crosses. So, piecing it together a little bit faster will look like this. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning those drawback versions with me. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.